This is a toolbar in your Google Drive. When I'm clicked off of everything, you'll notice that nothing is visible right here. But once I click on either a folder or a document, slide deck, any type of object in your Google Drive, these selections will appear. And the first one is a link. This will give you a direct link to the document or folder. Right there, copy the link. You can change the sharing settings on this screen as well. The next one over is the share button. I click on that. It's the same exact screen. I can make any of those edits, like sharing it with a person, typing in their email address, or to a group. I can also click on preview, and this is only for documents, individual items that are within Google Drive. So this could be a video, this could be a Google slideshow, it could be a spreadsheet, anything like that. So if I click on that button, you'll see that it's going to open up a preview of the Google slide deck that you're currently in. And this allows me to take a look at the slide deck without having to open up a new tab. The next one is the trash can, and the trash can is going to delete an item in Google Drive. Now, you don't really have to delete things in Google Drive because as educators we have pretty much unlimited space in there, so don't worry too much about that. But anything that goes into the trash, which is right here on your navigation sidebar, will be completely deleted in 30 days automatically. The three dots are going to give you some more options. We can add something to a workspace. In another slide, you'll see what that is. And then you can also show a file's location. So maybe you don't know where a specific file is located, and you can actually see where it is and that information. So if I just click on that, you'll see it'll select it right there. You can also add a shortcut to Drive. Perhaps you're in your shared with me, the black hole of existence, and you want to actually move it in kind of like a bookmark to it in your main Google Drive. You can actually create approvals to have like somebody look at a doc. So you can make a request, you'll see, to have somebody actually look at your document or slideshow or whatever, and then you can get feedback from them. So that's a relatively new feature. You can also move the file. Now, of course, you can just copy and paste or cut and paste right within here using your keyboard shortcuts. But you can also use this menu to move it to a folder. You can add a star, you can rename it, you can make a copy of it, and then you also can download it right to your computer, right from Google Drive. The last two things are the list view. We can change how we see the objects in Google Drive, whether or not we want to see a listing, or my preferred method, which is kind of these thumbnails, and gives me a little bit of a preview of whatever that document is. And finally, you can view the details of a specific object. So I'm going to click on that document again, and it will give me those different activity of it, the approvals, the details of that document.